Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So in this one, I'm going to show you this amazing Snapchat-like application which has been built on KivyMD. What is KivyMD? As you guys know, it's a Python framework that is used for developing mobile applications. Right. Now, what all things can be done on this application, that is what I'm going to show you first. And then in the later part of this video, we are going to talk about some bit of coding which is involved in creating this application. Okay, so let's dive into the lecture without wasting any more time and see what all things can we do in this application. So as you can see right now, this, my device's camera is on and it's able to detect my eyes, and it has put, the application has put a blue speck on my eyes. Right now, if I have to change the speck, I can close this, and then I have to simply come here in this file and search for the file named, do it one. If I'll change it to one, let's see what's going to happen. We have used object detection libraries, right? And there is TensorFlow, which is helping the code in detecting the exact location of the eyes. Right? If you have to change the screen size, so you can click on this button, and that's how you can do it. Right? You can also reduce it down. You can increase it like this. You can also reduce it further. Right? Now let's see what's going to happen if I'll change this to 3. We can change the specs dynamically. Okay, so this is a new spec that you're seeing on my eyes right now. Let me do tug 4. Let's see what's going to happen if I'll run the application. So as you can see, there are 5 different images which I have in the bucket, and I tried this one first, then I tried this, after that I tried this, and now I'm trying this tug 4. Okay. Okay, so it's working perfectly fine. It's exactly like what happens in a Snapchat, right? So this is what the application can do for you. Now let's talk about the coding part. So as you can see, we have a file named Kiwi Object Detector, in which we have imported all the types of libraries which are required for this application. So there is this library called KiwiGarden.xCamera, right, which is helping us in locating the, or you can say accessing the camera of the device and then bringing it up. Okay, we are using KivyMD also, as I've told you. So basically MD flat button are some of the modules that we are using from KivyMD, okay, for the application. Then if I come down here, you can see I've defined a function, a class called camera CV. Okay, then so this is the main function where I've defined all the types of things required for image detection and face detection. Okay, so there, there, this is where I've defined the threshold. Okay, then what should be the width, what should be the height of the window. Okay, and then we have this resolution set over here. Okay, and finally I am using this function for displaying everything on the screen. So it's a very simple code. Okay, if you guys want, you can give me a call on my number. You can ping me also on my WhatsApp number. I'll help you with the code, and also if you want me to build something like this for you guys, if you have a business and you want me to develop an AI based application for you, or an AI based mobile application for you, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. That is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye, take care, and have a great day ahead, guys.